Need installation videos or guides for the Korky Strongarm 6071 to learn visually and step-by-step? Start with the manufacturer because that is the most reliable place to find installation resources for the Korky Strongarm 6071. Visit Korky Parts online and look for product support or resource pages where they host downloadable manuals and installation guides. These often include exploded diagrams, step sequences, and torque or adjustment notes. Search major video platforms like YouTube using the full product name and model number and add terms like install, replacement, or repair to narrow results. Prioritize videos that show the exact model and include clear close-ups of the trip lever, refill assembly, and seal replacement. Check independent plumbing channels and home improvement publishers because experienced technicians often show hidden steps, such as repositioning the refill tube and aligning the plunger to avoid leaks. If you prefer audio-first content, look for podcast episodes from plumbing trade shows or home repair shows that discuss toilet flush valve installations and mention the Strongarm. They rarely replace visual content but provide useful troubleshooting checklists and part compatibility advice. Always compare any video sequence to the printed instructions that come in the package and verify part differences like valve height or gasket shape before following a technique to avoid forcing parts that are not compatible. Common issues include incorrect part identification, where users buy the wrong Strongarm variation and then cannot make a proper seal. Resolve this by matching both model number and physical measurements, such as valve height and flush valve diameter before purchase. Another frequent problem is misrouting the refill tube or placing it below the overflow level, which causes a continuous run and noise. Fix this by clipping the refill tube to the overflow lip and ensuring it sprays into the tank at a steady trickle without submerging the end. A third issue is over-tightening the locking nut or damaging the rubber seal, which causes leaks at the base. Prevent that by hand tightening snugly and then using a quarter turn with an adjustable wrench if needed, and always replace any deformed seal with the new one from the kit. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share installation tips like these so people can find help nearby or try repairs on their own. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members exchange experiences, ask questions, and post links to helpful videos and guides.